Do you want to know how you can link your Facebook account to your Temu account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Facebook and your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and open temu.com. Now log into your account, hover around Orders and Accounts and then click on Account Security. Wait for a while and scroll down a bit and you can see third-party accounts. To link your Facebook account, go ahead and click Link. Make sure that you are logged in with this browser and only then you can log into your Facebook account and link it. So go ahead and click Link, which is over here. It will open this page. Go ahead and write down your password, and after you write down your password, click Continue, and then you can access your Facebook account and link it to your Temu account. So it's quite easy, guys. Let me show it to you once again. Open temu.com, hover around your orders and account after you log into your account and click on Account Security. Scroll a bit down and find third-party accounts. So if you want to link Facebook, go ahead and click Link over here. Now what you need to do is write down your password in this box, click Continue, and then you can access your account and then link it with your Temu account as well. I hope this video about how you can link your Facebook and Temu account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.